Hello children, welcome to our maths class. Fifth chapter triangle and its properties. Now we are learning this fourth exercise. In exercise 4 we have completed up to 5 problems. Now 6th problem. Find the values of x and y. Find the values of x and y in the following figures. They have given figures. In these figures we have to find the value of x and y. Now see the first figure. Here they have given x degrees, y degrees, and here they have 17 degrees. These two lines they have given like that. That means these two angles are equal. ఈ రెండు లైన్స్ ఏం రిప్రజెంట్ చేశాయంటే these two angles are equal. ఈ రెండు angles equal అని చెప్పడానికి టూ లైన్స్ ఇట్లా చెప్పారన్నమాట. So these two lines are equal. Based on this we have to find. Now see, first triangle sum property. Based on triangle sum property, by adding these three we get 180. No, so that's why x plus 70 plus y is equal to 180 degrees. Why? Because it is triangle sum property. So then x plus y is equal to 70 degrees. Y minus 70. So x plus y is equal to how many degrees, Nana? 110 degrees. X plus y is equal to 110 degrees. Now they said that x plus y both are 110 degrees. The rendu kalpi 110 degrees unnai, and here we have more one point, that is these two angles are equal. ఈ రెండు యాంగిల్స్ ఈక్వల్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈ 1/10 లో హాఫ్ అని అర్థం కదా. 1 ఈక్వల్ అంటే ఇది 110 ఇది 110 కాదు నాన్న. బై యాడింగ్ దీస్ టూ వి షుడ్ గెట్ 180. ఈ రెండింటిని కలిపితే 110 వచ్చేలాగా ఉండాలి. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, దెన్ x is equal to y is equal to 55. y మేడం 55 అంటే హాఫ్ అంటున్నాడు కాబట్టి 110/2 వేస్తే ఏమొస్తుందన్న, 2 1s are 2 5s are 10, 1 will left, 2 5s are 10. So x is equal to y is equal to 55 degrees. X is equal to 55, y is equal to 55 degrees. Now it is 6 first one. Now see the second one. Here they have given x degrees, it is y degrees, it is 50 degrees. Now here also they are saying that these two angles are equal. What they are saying here? Here y and 50 degrees both are equal. Then how to find y is equal? Then now these two angles are equal. ఈ రెండు లైన్స్ ఏం రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తున్నాయి అంటే రెండు యాంగిల్స్ ఈక్వల్ అని రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తున్నాయి. Then if it is 50, then what about this also? It is also 50. Then simply have to say that x is equal to 50 degrees plus 50 degrees. Why I am saying that x is equal to 50 degrees plus 50 degrees? Then x is equal to 100 degrees. Then you can use here other property also, that is exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angle. Now see, exterior angle is equal to 100. అక్కడ ఇది 100 అనుకుంటే ఇది 50 ఉంది, ఇది ఏమవుతుందన్న 50 అవుతుంది. ఎందుకంటే ట్రయాంగిల్స్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ట్రయాంగిల్ సెకండ్ ప్రాపర్టీ, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Now sum of two opposite interior angles. Madam, why you have taken like that? మరి ఆ ప్రాపర్టీ తీసుకొని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసినారంటే here we don't know the value of x. X value తెలియదు కాబట్టి I have taken like this. Based on these lines, ఈ రెండు లైన్స్ ని బేస్ చేసుకొని చెప్పాలి. ఏంటంటే ఈ రెండు లైన్స్ ఏం రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తున్నాయంటే these two angles are equal. ఈ రెండు యాంగిల్స్ ఈక్వల్ కాబట్టి ఇది 50 అవుతే ఏమవుతుంది, ఇది కూడా 50 అవుతుంది. సో y is equal to 50, x is equal to 100. Here I have written like that only. x is equal to ఈ రెండు యాంగిల్స్ ఈక్వల్ కాబట్టి y plus 50. y అంటే మనకు తెలిసి ఎంత 50 కాబట్టి 50 plus 50 gives 100. So x is equal to 50, x is equal to 100, y is equal to 50. Next, third question. So here they have given. Now observe here, these two are vertically opposite to each other. So vertically opposite angles are equal. So if it is 30, then what about this also? 30 degrees. If it is 30, it is also 30 because it is opposite to this one. Now we have to take this triangle. Here we have one x angle is there. Here we have y nana, y undi ikkada. So what about y? First y is equal to 30 degrees because that is vertically opposite angles are equal. So that is y is equal to 30 degrees. Then how to say that? Here we have to say that 30 plus, now if you don't have this, then we have to take this triangle. Triangle is club. 30 plus x plus 30. 30 plus x plus 30 is equal to 180 degrees. Then 30 plus 30. 60 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. X is equal to 180 minus 60. then x is equal to 120 degrees. X is equal to 120, y is equal to 30. Okay, third one has completed. Next 4, 5, 6. Next fourth question. See here we have to find the value of x and find the value of y. Before going to teach that, now see here exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Along on the but by using that property we cannot find that because we don't know both two interior angles. Now here these two lines are represent that ఈ రెండు లైన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా మేడం, వీటిని బేస్ చేసుకొని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. అంటే ఈ రెండు లైన్స్ ఏంటంటే దీస్ టూ యాంగిల్స్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. ఈ రెండు యాంగిల్స్ ఈక్వల్ అన్న, ఈ రెండు యాంగిల్స్ ఈక్వల్ కాదు. These two angles are equal. Here we know only 180. Sorry. Here we know only 110. We don't know this angle. So these two angles are equal. But here and angles equal and represent this nine lines. So how to find that? Then to find that we have first we'll take like this by adding x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. X plus y is equal to 180 degrees. So 110 degrees. ఏంటంటే the exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. Then here we will find the value of then write like this 180 minus 110 is equal to 70 degrees. How means? See, it is very important. X plus y is equal to 180 because exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Now మనం ఈ రెండు యాంగిల్స్ ఈక్వల్ అని చెప్తున్నాం కాబట్టి ట్రయాంగిల్ ఫస్ట్ ప్రాపర్టీ ఏముంటుందన్నా బై యాడింగ్ దీస్ త్రీ. ఇప్పుడు ఈ మూడింటిని కలిపితే మనకి ఏముండాలి 180 రావాలి. సో 180 minus 180 plus 180 ఇప్పుడు 110 ఉంటుంది, దీన్ని తీసుకొస్తే ఏమవుతుంది minus 110 అవుతుంది. సో 180 minus 110 is equal to 70 degrees. Then we have to write here then that is it is linear pair. ఇక్కడ లీనియర్ పేర్ అని ఇక్కడ మొత్తం ఇగో ఇది మొత్తం 180 ఉంది నాన్న, 180 ఉండాలి. బట్ హియర్ వి హావ్ ఓన్లీ 70, హియర్ వి హావ్ ఓన్లీ 110. సో ఇది మొత్తం 180 ఉండాలి. మనకు 110 ఉంది కాబట్టి 110 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే 180 వస్తుంది, 70 వస్తుంది కాబట్టి ఇట్ ఈస్ లీనియర్ పేర్. లీనియర్ పేర్. దెన్ ఈ రెండు యాంగిల్స్ ఈక్వల్ అంటున్నాం కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ y ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ కూడా y కదా. సో y ఎంత ఇప్పుడు ఇది 70 అని అర్థం. మనం ఈ యాంగిల్ ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం కాబట్టి y is equal to 70 degrees. Y is equal to 70 degrees. Now we know this value. Then we have to find the value of x. So what you have to write? 70 plus 70 plus x is equal to 180. 70 plus 70 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. 70 plus 70 is 140. 140 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. X is equal to 180 minus 140. Then x is equal to 40 degrees. X is equal to 40, y is equal to 70. Next, what we have here? Next, fifth question. Here we have x, here we have y. First, we will find the value of y because if I have drawn like this, then it becomes linear pair or straight angle. Straight angle should be 180 degrees. So y is equal to 180. 180 minus 30. Why that is 180 minus 30? Because it is straight angle. Y and straight angles, but straight angle means 30 degrees ఉన్నాయి. So how much we have to find more? 30. So straight angle అంటే 180 ఉండాలి. 180 మరి ఇక్కడ 30 ఉంది కాబట్టి 30 ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను. So y is equal to 150 degrees. Now we got the value of y, that is 150 degrees. Already it is perpendicular. Right angle means here we have 90 degrees. So we will use triangle sum property. X plus 30 plus 90. X degrees plus 30 degrees plus 90 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. X plus 30 plus 90. X plus 120 is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 120. X is equal to 60 degrees. X is equal to 60, Y is equal to 150. Last sixth question. Now these two angles are saying that these two angles are equal. ఈ రెండు లైన్స్ ఏం రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తున్నాయంటే this and these two angles are equal, not this angle. These two angles are equal. Then if it is x, then what about this also? X. Now see here we will get 80 degrees. Why? Because vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles equal గా ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి ఇది ఏమవుతుంది 80 degrees అవుతుంది. So by adding these three we should get 180. So here you have to write that x plus 80 plus x is equal to 180. Where you are taking 8 x and more one take 5. ఇక్కడ కూడా నేను I have taken more one x as 80 x. ఇక్కడ నాకు ఏం లేదు బట్ x తీసుకున్నాను. ఎందుకు అంటే these two lines are representing that these two angles are equal. ఈ రెండు angles equal కాబట్టి if it is x then it is also x. So x plus x 2x plus 80 is equal 180 degrees. 2x is equal 180 minus 80. 2x is equal 100. Then x is equal to 50 degrees. Why? Because 2 ones are 250. So x is equal to 50 degrees. Otherwise I write more one step. X is equal to 100 by 2. So x is equal to 50 degrees. Then we got the value of x. Then what we have to find here? We have to find the value of y. Y is exterior angle of a triangle is sum of two opposite interior angles. So y is equal, otherwise we find like this. Y should be 180 but we have only 50. So y is equal 180 minus 50. Y is equal to 130 degrees. అలా కాకుండా ఇలా కూడా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఇచ్చారు అంటే ఇప్పుడు y అనేది స్ట్రైట్ యాంగిల్ అవుతుంది. స్ట్రైట్ యాంగిల్ లో మనకు ఓన్లీ యాంగిల్ మాత్రమే తెలుసు ఎంత 50. y means straight angle. From straight angle we have to subtract 50. 180 minus 50 is 130 degrees. Okay, it has completed. Next question, seventh one. Seventh question is, now see, I am not writing the seventh question, I am reading the seventh question. One of the exterior angles of a triangle is 125 degrees and the interior opposite angles are in the ratio of 2:3. Find the angles of a triangle. Now read seventh solution. See, one of the exterior angle of a triangle is 125 degrees. Then, for example, if you have the triangle like this, then one of the exterior angle of a triangle is 125 degrees. Now it is 125 degrees. Then, and the interior opposite angles are in the ratio 2:3. These are the opposite interior angles. These two are in the ratio 2:3. Then we have to find these two angles. Now write here exterior angle of a triangle is equal. Exterior angle of a triangle is 125 degrees. Then opposite interior angles are in the ratio opposite interior angles are in the ratio are in the ratio of 2:3. Then we have to find both these two angles. Then find sum of the ratio. Sum of the ratio is Sum of the ratio is 2:3 means 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 gives 5. Then we have to find the first angle. Then one interior opposite angle is equal to interior opposite angle is equal to angle is, what is the first angle? 2. Sum of the ratio is 5. Then they have given 125 degrees. 125 degrees. 5 ones are 5 2s are 10. 2 here. 5 5 is 25. 25 2s are 50 degrees. Then we have to find another interior angle. Another interior angle is equal to another interior angle is equal to another interior opposite angle is equal to angle is ratio is 3, sum of the ratio is 5 into they have given 125 degrees. 125 we have to write as this 5 ones are 5, 25 are 25 3s are 75 degrees. Then we have to find more than angle. How to find more than angle? Now we have to find the angles of a triangle. Now we have to find these two angles of a triangle and figure find out the what. Now we have to find this also. We have to find that by using triangle sum property. That means by adding 50 plus 75 plus another angle is equal to 180 degrees. It is by using triangle sum property. 50 plus 75 is 125. 125 plus another angle is equal to 180 degrees. Then another angle is equal to another angle of a triangle. Another angle is equal to 180 minus 125. Then that is 180 minus 125 is 55 degrees. 55 degrees. Now the three angles are, one is 55 degrees, other one is 75 degrees. So one is 50 degrees, another one is 75 degrees, more one is 55 degrees. Seventh solution has completed. Next, eighth one. The exterior triangle angle PRS of a triangle PQR is 108 degrees. Then find, if PQ is 70 degrees, then find angle P. Is angle P is greater than angle PRS? Say yes or no, we have to find. Next, eighth solution. The exterior angle P of a triangle PQR is, it is triangle PQR. PQR. In this triangle PQR, angle R is the exterior angle. This exterior angle is 105 degrees and Q is equal to 70 degrees. And find P. Now we have to find angle P. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Based on triangle second property, we have to find angle P. So angle R is equal to sum of angle P plus angle Q. Angle R we know, that is 105 degrees. 105 degrees is equal to angle P we don't know. Angle P plus angle Q is 70 degrees. Then 105 minus 70. 105 degrees minus 70 degrees is equal to angle P. Then angle P is equal to 105 minus 75 is 35 degrees. So angle P is equal to 35 degrees. Now we find angle P. They are asking to find angle P. Next we have more one question. Is angle PRS is greater than angle P? Angle PRS means which angle we have to take here? Angle R we have to take. Angle R is 105 degrees. Since 105 degrees is greater than P? Yes. So you have to say yes. Yes. Next, ninth question. If an exterior angle of a triangle is 130 degrees and one of the interior opposite angle is 60 degrees, find the another exterior. Find the another interior opposite angle. Eighth solution has completed. Next, ninth solution. Ninth solution. If an exterior angle of a triangle is 130 degrees, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to 130 degrees. One of the interior opposite angle is, one of the interior opposite angle is 60 degrees. Then we have to find another interior opposite angle. To find another interior opposite angle, what we have to do? another interior opposite angle is equal to, from this 130 we have to subtract 60. Why? Because interior exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. So 130 minus 60 is equal to 70 degrees. So another interior opposite angle is 70 degrees. Next, 9th solution has completed. 10th one same like 7th one, we have to complete. Last 11th one is there. I will draw the figure and I will explain 11th one. Next, 11th solution. In the figure, find the values of x and y. We have to find the value of x and y here. Now see, here it is x, here we have y. Triangle A, B, C, D. B is the exterior angle. AC they have given 30 degrees, A they have given 50 degrees, D they have given 55 degrees. Then we will take here B. Angle B should be, if I have drawn like this, angle B should be straight angle. But here they have given only, here we don't know. So first here we will take triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, by adding A plus B plus C is equal to 180 we should get. Adding A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Angle A is 50 degrees, angle B is we don't know. Angle C is 30 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. 30 plus 50 is 80 plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. Angle B is equal to 180 minus 80, that is equal to angle B is 100 degrees. Angle B and 100 degrees vachindana. Then here we know it is 100 degrees. If we have drawn like this total, then we should get 180. So 100 plus y degrees is equal to 180. Why? Because that is straight angle. You have to write here straight angle. Now y is equal to 180 minus 100. So y is 80 degrees. We got the value of y. Then we have to find the value of x. Now only observe this angle. If you have only this triangle, only here triangle maatrame untayi chudandi nana. For this B and C, x is the exterior angle. By using triangle second property, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. So angle x is equal to y plus 55. Y plus 55. Why? Because triangle second property, based on triangle second property. So x is equal to, what is y? Y means here we got y, that is 80 degrees plus 55 degrees. 80 degrees plus 55 degrees. So x is equal to 8 plus 0 plus 5 is 5, 8 plus 5 is 13, 135 degrees. So it is a 11th solution. Up to here it has completed. So complete your homework up to here. In the next class we will start the new chapter, that is ratio and applications. Okay children.